Or car crash. Okay, girls, I really miss you. I already miss you. Well, you girls have to stay here for now. Oh no, the car just. Oh my gosh, I need to go to the car right now. I need to go to the car right now. I miss mommy. Who is her? Where is she? Oh wow, look at this. Wait, look, these are stuffies. Oh, I really miss her. Yeah. Let me close the base. Cause I'm ready. Never mind, no. This is so cute. Yeah, my shirt. I want it. Oh, these look so cute. Okay. I'll get this backpack. I'll get this backpack again here. Okay. Well, let's get this. Either way, we don't have light. Yes. Let's go. Since it's Christmas, we definitely need a Christmas tree. At least, for your Christmas tree. And, yeah. Look at the lamp. Just gonna put this right here. Yes. Come on. Okay, coming. Where's our pet sleep? I found something right here. Whoa, what? How is it? How's there light here? I don't know. Well, at least I'm feeling a bit better. Okay, so here's something so our pets can sleep in. Look. Yippee skippy. Okay. Now let's do this. Did you share? Yes, let's put them over here. Your backpacks can go here. A Christmas tree. Yes. Okay, where are we gonna sleep? Okay, let's just sleep here, I guess. Go. Yes, I can't believe it. What? Oh, I was just dreaming. Yeah, you were dreaming. Okay. Oh, wait. It's snowing outside. We have to close the gate. There we go. Wait, me too. Wait. We should go to the store and see if we can get something. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Subscribe and turn notifications and like if you like my videos. There has something. Yeah. And I hope the car is fine. Yeah. Come on. Do we need a phone? No, we don't have money. Okay. Well, we can. I found some money. Found some more money. And more money. This is the best time ever. Yes. More money. More money. Yes, finally. Ooh, I should get some free coffee. Like our sister, she never lets us get free coffee. It's hot, but I love it. We should throw in a trash. Okay. Oh. We should in a bag. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to the Rainstorm family. Rainstorm family, that's weird. Have you ever had a Rainstorm family? No? However, still happy that we found some money. Okay, we should orange juice just $5. And yeah, we should just get oranges. No, we need chicken. Yeah, we definitely need chicken. Let's get some chicken. Okay, now let's get some eggs. Look for your pan. Can you look for a pan? Sure, I got the eggs and I look for the pan. What is this? I don't know. Well, we should be going by now. But this store is so nice. What should I do? I have no idea. But our pets, they need us. Oh. Our pets? Maybe yeah. No, that doesn't work for me. Well, either way, I should get going. Okay. Let's go. Here you go. $5. First person I already paid that much stuff. Okay, thank you so much. You can have it. The bag. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay. Okay, well, let's keep going. Yeah. Kind of scared. Do not be scared. She should be there. She said that she's gonna come back. I'm so worried about the girl. Girl, there you are. Yes. I miss you so much. Yeah. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, so do you find money? Yeah. Can I use the money? Sure. To buy a new car? Sure. Okay. So today we're having the new car. Thank you. Be safe. Yeah, you too. Okay, we should get eggs. We should cook here. Yes. You don't have cups. That doesn't matter. Just drink orange juice like that. Don't eat it and okay. They're not really hungry. Okay. You're falling down. I'm gonna invite you some food, but I guess everybody should drink this. Yes. Just two. There's just for one more person. 2 person. I'm just gonna drink 2 times. Yes. Okay, there you go, finished. Okay, what should we do now? I don't know. Oh, look at these clubs. We can play. Yeah. Oh, wait, what's this? No, I'm too cold, Yeah, it's really cold outside. Brr, brr. What's this? Brr. Oh, no. Okay, I should wear this, right? Yeah, just grab it. We should be going by now. Let's just get the stuff that we just found. Yeah. Okay, grab the bag. Oh no, what's this? Okay, and we need to definitely the pan. Oh, hold the pan. Our animals, they can go. No, they should go in the back. Oh yes, I remember right, but Max is so cool outside here. I will just grab you, and I'll not need this anymore. And I'll grab you, I guess, or you can. Oh, I'll tie for you. Join. I guess our mom. I guess our sister is here. Okay, girls, we bought the new car. Yippee, Skippy! Confetti! Yeah, and it's even nighttime, so we should get going. Yes, thank you so much for watching our videos. Subscribe if you like them. And if you like our video, and you should turn on the notifications and like. Thank you so much. Bye. Let's go. So happy. We even bought some groceries. Really? Yes.